Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to color a coloring book. Start by selecting your preferred coloring tools. Colored pencils offer blendability, while markers provide vibrant, bold colors. Gel pens add sparkle and fine detail. Ensure your coloring book paper can handle your chosen medium to prevent bleed-through. Don't forget essential accessories like a good eraser, a sharpener, and perhaps some blending stumps for a smooth finish. Once you have your tools, begin with light pressure, building up color in layers. This technique allows for greater control and depth. Employ small, circular motions to achieve a smooth, even application, avoiding noticeable streaks. Always outline the areas you intend to color first. This creates a clear boundary, helping you stay within the lines for a neat and professional look. To elevate your coloring, try blending two or more colors together for seamless transitions and unique hues. Introducing highlights and shadows is crucial. A light source from one direction will create bright spots and darker areas, adding three-dimensional depth. Explore techniques like cross-hatching or stippling to introduce varied textures, making your artwork more dynamic and visually engaging. Remember to take frequent breaks, perhaps every 30 to 45 minutes, to rest your hands and eyes, ensuring a more enjoyable experience. Embrace experimentation. Try unconventional color combinations or different artistic styles to discover what you love. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the therapeutic process of coloring. Let your imagination guide you, and don't worry about perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.